Hey, Tab here. Come behind the scenes with me to take this to this. 2 rows hand-tied extensions. Jump scare. Okay, this is her 6-week grow out. She has already been wearing these for a bit. So they do need to be maintained and moved up every 5 to 8 weeks is the kind of the sweet spot. So right now I am protein and bond treating her extensions to make sure, we're keeping the extensions as healthy as possible too. So these are all natural, human hair, and they need to be treated well, just like our hair on our head too. So I'm blowing them out really nice and smooth and getting them ready to get back installed into my client's hair. So this is them when that step is done. Look at all that shine. Okay, now I'm moving on to drying my client's hair, making sure she's all nice and smooth and ready to go.
Just keep drying, drying.
Okay, so now I've got her all sectioned up. We are moving on to sewing in her wefts. So this is kind of like a little, under the hood, how we do it. So these are all sewn in by me. Look at me working hard. Oh, look at this angle. Shout out to Jill who filmed these parts for me. Like all these angles she's giving. So good. Okay, so that's that row all put in. And check it out. We did 2 rows on this client and they just absolutely disappear into her hair. Thanks for watching. Smash that like and follow.